Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and you guessed it, it's time to make some soap. And today I'm going to be making what I guess most would consider a masculine soap, or more along the masculine line. I am going to fragrance it with an old favorite, Cavalier from Nurture Soap. This is the last of it. I'll have to order some more, but this to me just smells like a quality men's cologne. I really like it. Behaves well, holds up. And for the colors, I am going to use Nurture Soap's activated charcoal. I will be using a combination of Nurture Soap's Yellow Vibrance and Brambleberry's Tangerine Wow to really beef that up. I'm going to be using another combination of Nurture Soap's Yellow Vibrance and Brambleberry's Fizzy Lemonade to beef it up. I'm going to be using what's called Nurture Soap's Platinum Gray. This is an old mica. I believe they call it neutral gray, but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. It's just an old mica. And then I'm going to be using an old favorite red, Nurture Soap's Trial by Fire. I plan to just drop swirl these in. Should be pretty simple. And I think that's it, so I think it's time to get started. As usual, I'm soaping in the range of about 83, 84 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's just start like always by slowly, carefully pouring the lye solution into the oils. Bring this to a very basic emulsification. Which we have a cheat. Even though it's probably a very, very weak one, it may start to separate because it's cold in here. Always happens in the wintertime, but it always comes back together, so I just don't worry too much about it. Get this as close as possible, but close is good enough. In a situation like this, if one is an ounce more than another or an ounce less in the final soap, you're just not going to know it. There we go. And I will scrape this clean because I'm finished with it. So let's get these colored. Now I am going to pour in the order that I showed you: black, orange, yellow, gray, and red. But I like to work, when possible, lightest to darkest. So the first will be the Yellow Vibrance, amped up with the Brambleberry Fizzy Lemonade. And normally these colorants I like to pre-mix ahead of time in some water, but I'm not this time because I'm not terribly concerned about the consistency, and I don't want to add extra water to some batches and not to others for fear that I'll have an uneven trace when I go to pour. So I'm going to put the powder just right in. Stick blend it out. We will start by mixing the yellow. Are you in the picture? Yes, you are. then the next will be our orange vibrants mixed with our tangerine wow. And you really just truly can't see in the camera what that tangerine wow looks like, just how wow it really is. Camera just does not pick that up. So I have to be really cautious with it. Let's give that a stir. Yeah, looks good. Very good. Right, let's do our Nurture Soaps Platinum Gray, which I believe they now call Neutral Gray. I think I got out of order. I did. So that's a mica, that will easily blend in. And since I got one out of order, I need to move everybody down and put one down here on the end for our red. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Got the clumsy fingers today. And then finally, but definitely not least, our activated charcoal for our black. Give it a stir. Okay. Even though our batter's holding up well, this fragrance behaves well, I am going to need to stick blend these, especially with those powders, those, oh shoot, what do they call them? The pigments. I think I'm going to hand stir the fragrance in because I'm starting to get to a consistency that I like already, and I'm not going to risk it stick blending the fragrance, but we'll see. So give this a quick buzz. Looks so much better. Give our orange a quick buzz. Oops, with some air, of course. Give our gray a quick buzz. Give our red a quick buzz. And finally, our black a quick buzz. And yes, I am definitely going to hand stir the fragrance. But it does behave very well. I've used it several times. tell you what, let's see. Yep, those are almost right where I like them. I'm going to shut us down just for like maybe 60 seconds. I'll be right back. Right, I think we're right the consistency I like. Let's just hope it stays this while I pour it. And when it is semi-thin, low and slow is the way to go. And we're thickening, so I'm raising the height of the pour. I am going to just go kind of sporadic on the top. Oh, this is going to sit up too much on me. So there we go. And I'll let that sit for about 5 minutes and squirt it again. And I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Alright, we're back to cut our soap, and what I'm seeing so far, pretty happy with it. Nice colorful top, nice colors on the sides and the bottom, so let's just dig right in and see what we have. I started out having a really great pour result, and then toward the end it did start to thicken up a little on me, but we will see. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. So let's see what some of the bars look like. I'll do about like before, like cut about half of the log from each log. Because sometimes I think they're going to look the same and they don't. Oh yeah, nice drops in that. Very nice. Oh, that's one of the best ones I've gotten. Alright, so that's half of that log. Let's cut this other one and see if it looks any different. Oh, see, totally different. So I'll cut the rest of these off camera and then get a snapshot, but these are radically different from one side to the other. So there's the first one, which has a lot of the typical drops in it, like a typical drop swirl, and that's actually one of my better ones. And then here's the second one, which looks quite different. Really surprised, but overall I'm super happy with these. Very, very happy with these. So I'll finish cutting these off camera, and then I will take a snapshot of all of them lined up like I always do, and that's what I have this week. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you next week. Bye.